Hi, my name is Dr. Harriet Kamendi and I am CEO of Kamendi Bioscience. I grew up watching people I loved go without medications because of two reasons. One, they could not afford the medications, and two, because the medicines did not arrive at the expected pharmacy. Then COVID-19 happened, and what had been a personal observation became a global one, where millions of people went without medications because supply chains were broken, mainly because harbors were closed and no shipments could leave the countries of origin to the intended destinations. An empty pharmacy shelf means one thing, to one thing or another to millions. So for some people, it's just a missed medication. For others, it can lead to disability, and for others, a total loss of life. Our mission is to change this story for millions of Africans. How are we going to do this? We want to build a bioequivalence facility or infrastructure in Kenya. Kenya happens to be the home of more than 40 manufacturers with the ability to develop new generic products that can service millions of patients on the continent of Africa. We will fulfill this by building a bioequivalence infrastructure consisting of a bioanalytical lab, a clinical trial unit, and a sample biobanking management system. This infrastructure will serve multiple local manufacturers to produce medicines locally and make them available to patients. We will make money by selling sample management services to global companies as well as local companies that are generating this in country. And at the same time, we will be building out regulatory and quality infrastructure to support our bioanalytical space. I believe that nobody should go without the medications they need to take simply because the medicines did not arrive. I also believe that Africans need to be participating in the global fight for disease, and therefore they need to participate in research, in clinical trials, and in enabling us to bring medicines to the marketplace. Therefore, with our generalized expertise, we can be able to set up this infrastructure in the country. Why me? Because I have the required regulatory expertise to run laboratories, to execute on studies, and to ensure that this infrastructure is built to a fault. I look forward to interacting with the Global Good Fellow Fellowship and the fellow members of the Global Good Fellow, and thank you for your time and for this opportunity.